Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Ike Entertainment, and today I'm about to cut my hair. You know, it's been a minute. This is my 5th month, but like I'm about to go to school tomorrow, so I'm gonna get my temple taper fade. But I just want to give you guys a quick method for back to school. This is what the hair is looking like right now. You know, approaching that 2.5 inches. That was the bowl. When you're trying to get your hair cut, you want to make sure you wash your hair the night before. Don't put any products in, leave it dry. Next morning, only use water, take it out, dry. Your job is to make it dry as possible and as out as possible. Because when you're going to get a trim, you got to make sure your full length is out, or else they're going to cut you lower than you want. Make sure you let them know that you want a light trim, alright? Not too much off the top, you just want it slightly trimmed, you're trying to grow it out. Let them know that and you should be straight. So I'm not really expecting to be able to use the curl sponge and have the sides come out all the way. So I'm thinking I'm probably just going to end up having, I'm still going to use the curl sponge eventually. I'm going to make a curl sponge method for how to do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grow it out for like a week or two. And then I should be there. But like I'm just going to stock up on all the water. Everything I told you on the how to grow your hair video. So yeah, let's get the cut. Alright, so I just want to give you guys one more 360. I don't know if the lighting was perfect there, and I had the flash off or whatever. So here we go. You already see the hard work in progress. Getting close. By the end of the month, I should be at exactly 2.5 inches. Then past that, it's a wrap. The ultimate goal is 5 inches. So if I can get to 5 inches, I'm lit. Alright, so this is what the fade's looking like right now. You know, this is the haircut right now. Whew. Definitely well needed. Most definitely well needed. Bruh. Whew, it's been like over 5 months. Over 5 months. I have not gotten a haircut or a lineup or anything in 5 months. That is ridiculous, yo. But huge haircut transformation. I'm just gonna go harder. Make sure these sides go past my ears. That's the next thing. So I'm just gonna keep sticking with my method, trying to gain as much hair as possible and get the best results. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the haircut transformation, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling really hype right now, feeling ready for school. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more videos like this, more haircut videos. Also, let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and like me on Facebook. Links will be down below on the video. I'll also leave the links down below in the description. And lastly, make sure to turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.